Joshua,
Yes, ma'am. I'm still with
okay,
you. I'm
good.
here, ma'am.
So you're welcome to Hsprojects Technology. My name is Cecilia Adenusi, the CEO of the Hsprojects Technology Limited. So this is what we intend to do a 360-degree transformation on any of the courses you'll be learning from us, the in-depth teaching, okay, the analytical part of it, the creative business solution part of what you'll be learning from us, exposing you to industrial tools that will be needed for you to be able to meet the labor market ahead, being able, enable you to be able to work with some of the team, okay, to pair you with some team from other courses, like if you're in data analytics, pair you with people from quality assurance or products management at the end of the day so that you can work on the project at the end and to be able to present your work also to us, coming up with an idea, presenting it to us. You may end up having to be the one to invent the solutions or invent an idea. You just need a team to be able to work with. Okay, I'm making you employable at the end of the day, encouraging you to do your internship once you are done with us. So this is
Okay.
me speaking to you. And about Hsprojects Technology, we are actually committed to empowering individuals and businesses, okay, through this cutting edge technology. We keep evolving as the technology evolves. We don't stick that this is the method we've been using. This is what we are going to stick with. We don't do that. As technology evolve, we also review our curriculums and we also evolve us. So that is what we do. So we make use of cutting edge technology. Anything trending, you will see with us. Okay? And the skill development. So as a leading provider of the training and consulting services with specialized in business analysis, data analysis, AI and machine learning, okay, project management, cybersecurity, and the likes. So we don't just teach tech, we build career. Okay, we don't just teach tech, we also build career around it. Okay, we
Okay.
talk to
Yes, ma'am.
people to get to know why do you want to do the course you are doing? Why do you intend to do this course you are actually doing? Do you have, where do you see yourself in the next 2, 3 years? Which company do you see yourself working with? What are the tools they are using in that company that will make your findings? So that you just go straight to the point. You see yourself working with Microsoft, working with Google. What are the technology that they use there? There's no point in beating around the bush. Learning what they won't use in that organization. Do your findings. Where you see yourself, what are the tools they use in that place? Do you see yourself in a big insurance company? What are the tools? Do you see yourself working in bank? What are the tools that they use in that place? Those are the tools you should equip yourself in. Okay. And that is why
Yes.
we partner with the with NYSC, the state coordinator. He asked us to, he mandates that we should do a subsidized course for core members. And that we don't just limit it to core members alone, we extend it to undergraduates. Undergraduates also can also benefit from this kind of thing that we do, not only the NYSC people. So that's what we are doing. So we are just 20,000 naira. You can pick any of our courses to learn from, any of our courses you are interested. And one of our mission is just to bridge the gap between skill and by offering a comprehensive, we do a lot of boot camps, workshops, training, a tailored training, just like one of the ones we are doing for NYSC now at the moment. So we equip professionals with the knowledge and the practical needed to thrive in the involving digital landscape. So that's what we do most of the time. So let's just quickly go straight to our courses. We have some certification on business employability courses on data analytics, AI and machine learning. We have on management. We have on cybersecurity. We have on web. We have on just basic coding, Python and how. We have on animation, UI and UX, digital marketing, business analytics, robotics, this robotics and automation. It's advisable you come to the training center to come and do that. We have cloud computing and product management. So this varies from ages, okay, the age group we deal with. We have some customized curriculum depend on the age group. We have the one for graduates, we have the one for those who are staying in school, we have the one that are already in the industry. Now, people in the industry, we cannot just be teaching them Python and how. We have a customized program for them that we actually train them on. What we actually improve their mode of operations wherever they work. So we have some specialized courses for them like that we do. So and each of these courses cross across 12 weeks, 12 intensive weeks, which will be 2 times in a week. Okay, you pick any day or any of the day that your facilitator pick for you. You negotiate with your facilitator if it is not convenient, or majority carry the vote if majority want weekends, because we are aware that everybody works, everybody are busy and the likes. So most of our training so far have been Friday, Saturday, some Thursday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So it all depends on your availability. Once you find yourself in a group, relate with your facilitator and you reach an agreement on the most convenient time for you. Like what I used to tell people, any area you have, we all know that internet availability or stability varies from different locations. So just sure anywhere you are, do your findings, know the particular network that is more stable. So if Airtel is stable, try and buy an Airtel SIM. Okay, if Glow is more stable in your area, try and buy a Glow, but make your findings first. Don't just stick because you are using MTN then. It's only when the network is good that you'll be able to attend the class. So that it will not affect your class, it's good that you stick with the findings, the network that may be available in your community, and then you go for it. Okay, so these courses now, all of them runs for 12 good weeks. Okay, 2 weeks. Then you are allowed to have one in a month physical classes. If your place is not too far from our training hub, then whether you have classes or not, our training facility is always opened. You can come over to come and use the internet facility. We run on solar, so that means we have 24 hours lights, 24 hours internet, and our internet is more stable. It's very reliable. Let me say 90% reliable so far since we've been using them. Okay, so we have a reliable high-speed provider that they service us, that they serve us. Okay, so twice in a week. So you may decide to come to our training facility anytime to come and practice, even though if you don't have class, so you can, any of our students are free. Within that 12 weeks, you are free to actually walk up to us, but just let us know you'll be coming today or tomorrow so that I will be aware that you'll be coming just a chat, so chat with us so that we'll be aware that you'll be coming over. Okay. Okay, so these are courses: Introduction to Data Analytics, Data Connection, Data Planning and the likes, the SQL, the data visualization, Introduction to Statistics, Machine Learning for Data Analytics, more business intelligence like Tableau or Power BI, Big Cloud, Big Data and Cloud Analytics, making use of Google Colab and the likes for your cloud computing, working on time series analysis, inference statistics, and different capstone and your 12 weeks. That's what we'll be working on. We also have on AI and machine learning, where each of the weeks we go through the data preparation, feature engineering, with 3 the supervised learning, teaching you different models that we have under supervised learning, linear regression, logistic regression, SVMs, and the like. So we have moving to classification where you'll be using logistic regression, you'll be using decision tree and the likes. So moving to unsupervised learning, neural network and deep learning basis, natural language processing, reinforcement learning, ARNN and STLM, and not only developing a model, but being able to deploy your model at the end of the day, we'll be putting you through also how to be able to achieve that. Then moving down to project management, embarking on career in project management. How do you become an effective project manager How do you become a more business communicator, and some of the soft skills you need to learn. Okay, the project management life cycle and the methodology involved, working on Gantt charts, Jira, and the likes, organization structures and culture, and the different projects. If you're writing different projects, different proposals, how do you go about it? How do you manage projects? How do you schedule time and manage each of the activities? So we also have on cyber security, understand what is most of the major challenge that we have now. Insecurity keep increasing both physically and online. So that's why everybody have to be cyber wise and cyber conscious. So we treat this foundation of security, the implementation of the public keys, investigating identity and access management, virtualization and cloud concept, the monitoring, the scanning and penetration testing. Okay, we understand the security and insecure protocol, dive into secure network and security concepts. Okay, securing wireless and mobile solution, identifying threats, attack, and different vulnerability, including some of the capstone. So that is where we have each of these courses across the 12 courses that we actually run. This is UI UX design also, about the design thinking, information architectures, and emphasis mapping, the wireframing and prototyping, both the low fidelity and the high fidelity, the user experience and the user design and the likes. So it runs from the week 1 to week 12 at the end of the day also. And the same thing is applicable to others, to digital marketing, teaching from Canva, how do you design, how do you do a little bit animation for marketing, how do you do Facebook art, IG art, and the like. So how do you do all those ones? Okay, so web development, majorly at the moment, we focus on front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's what we focus on, the animation, using Blender to be able to animate and the likes. Okay, so different things like that, courses that we actually run. Remember our courses, our timing are just 2 times in a week. Okay, so choose any time that you want. You can come into our training facility to make use of the internet, the laptop, and the likes that you want to make use of. So that's just a summary of what I have to introduce to you. Do you have any questions, Joshua? So let me welcome your questions.
Okay, ma'am. First things first. The online classes, on what platform will be having the classes?
What platform? It depends. Some are using Zoom, some are using Google Meet. So, depends on anyone.
Okay, so I think your office is at Bashan.
Yes.
Okay. And well, it's not really far from where I stay, actually.
It's not far
Not
from
really far. Yeah, yes.
So you can come up. Even if you have online class, you can make use of the place just to listen to.
Okay, yeah. So I also want to make
Okay.
inquiry.
Okay.
The next court, when will be the next court?
It will be March. But
March. Okay.
henceforth, we will share resources to keep you busy till March. Okay. You know, today is orientation day. We want to start talking to people from today. Some of them are saying they are waiting payments. You understand? To be made.
Yeah, I've made payments, you get, and I want to go with the court, the court too. But I'm only making inquiries as regards a friend. He's actually an undergraduate, so I also want him to enroll. But I didn't, how would I put it? Like, he didn't inform me on time, so I think the registration closed yesterday, but today, I think. Oh,
The registration is still on.
okay, still on for this for court 2.
For court, yes. Still on.
So can I still register in by Monday?
You can. You can register for court 2 because the classes will commence March 3rd.
Oh, okay.
The classes will commence March 3rd. But whether you make your payment, we'll share some resources with you. So you share some videos with you. So you watch ahead and get yourself prepared before March 3rd.
Okay, no problem.
But we still have to allow some people, usually some of the corpers, they said they have to wait till when they collect their allowance and the likes before they can actually.
Well, that's true. Considering them, I really appreciate the fact that you are considering them.
So you can still
Okay. Yeah, I'll register. This person is actually an undergraduate. He's actually not yet a serving corps member. The undergraduate, a student at LASU. So he's schooling at LASU Lagos, not even at Ibadan yet. So I just want him to enroll with the online class. He said he wants to do cyber security.
So tell him to go ahead and register. It's still
Okay.
the people should register before March 3rd.
Okay, ma'am.
Before March
Okay,
3rd.
ma'am.
And once you register, let us share receipt with me so I can allocate him or her events.
Everything. I'll make sure of that. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yes, ma'am.
You have a lovely night rest.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And you too.
So when they call now?
Okay, ma'am.